Blink-182 are back. New tour, new album, and Tom DeLonge is back in the band, so that's really cool. And I thought I would do my top 5 Blink-182 songs. These are all just simply taken from the top 5 of Spotify at the time of making this video. Number 1, we have already done on my Andy Guitar YouTube channel. In fact, I did it with my band, mainly just for a laugh, and we covered this back when I was a kid, back when I was a teenager, so I thought it'd be really fun to have a go at this one. 3 simple chords, C, F, and G, power chords. This is all the small things. Full tutorial for that will be linked at the top of the description. But let's have a look at the rest of this top 5 now. Their latest track, Edging. Edging uses the same 3 chords as all the small things, as power chords, C, F, and G, just moving that same shape around the fretboard. And it also uses this octave technique, which is used in all the small things and loads of other rock songs, especially of this sort of era of the last 20 or 25 years. It's basically, here's a C power chord, take your 3rd finger off, and just play the root, and then the octave, both C notes in this case. But we're going to slide it up from 3rd and 5th to 7th fret and the 9th fret. The first finger's doing the job of muting, so we can hit all 6 strings and only those 2 notes ring out. Sliding to 7 and 9. And you can follow a chord sheet or tab to learn the rest of that song. Let's move on. This just adds 1 chord to all the chords we've done already, and it's 2 frets higher than the C. It's a D. D power chord, D, F, and G. So if you can play all the others, you can pretty much work out this one. If you know the 4, 5 to 1, kind of hopefully working it out by ear and just learning the song, how that goes. If you struggle to play along to any of this, you really want to get that change between a root 5 power chord and a root 6 power chord. Get that change solid and also learn the 2 fret move. Kind of sliding these power chords around, but have that 2 frets one memorized and under your fingers. They're the things to work on.
If you enjoy this video, why not check out the full range of courses available at andyguitar.co.uk. From total beginner to advanced, acoustic and electric guitar, we have structured lessons, exclusive song tutorials not available on YouTube, regular live lessons so you can get all the feedback you need. Try all of this for free with a 10-day free trial. The link to that is in the description. Let's get back to the video.
Something a little bit different is when Blink-182 went acoustic. So that is again the only acoustic guitar part in that, or the lead guitar part, is this octave technique from the 2nd and 4th fret to 6 and 8. But harmonically, it's a B, B over A sharp, and then to G sharp minor, and then back. If I was teaching that, an acoustic version, let me just grab my capo, I would be doing that something like this. Capo 4th fret, means that G chord is a B. That sounds like a B chord. I guess we could even do, hang on, let me have a think. How would I play this? Bit of a bum note there, but you get the idea, and we could also do don't waste your time on me, you're already the voice inside my head. So G with the third and little finger down, they're going to stay there. This is just a simple way of playing it on one guitar. That's an A7 sus4, that's the Wonderwall chord. G chord without the middle finger, that's a G over B, because this is a B note. Capo key of G, that's a B note. D sus4, and then C add 9. Don't waste your time on me, you're already the voice inside my head. Miss you, miss you. Finally, we have some picking with my favourite Blink-182 song, What's My Age Again? That has the following root notes to these chords. These are just arpeggiated chords, picking notes out of a chord. 9th fret on string 4, 9th fret, string 5, same on string 6, and then on string 6 on fret 11. Third and little finger are staying down like this, and we have root, down, up, down for every chord. Repeat at breakneck speed and then play the heavy bit. So whether played with power chords or with palm muted power chords, even the riff at the top uses these same chords. It's essentially a B chord, 2nd fret power chord on root 5 to string 6. That's an F sharp power chord, C sharp, that's a 4th fret power chord, and then 6th fret would be a D sharp power chord, but we just think of them as always in the gaps here, because it's always this one shape that we're just moving around from 2, 2, 4, 6, where that first finger's going. Same as up there. And that's for the verses, they're the palm muted ones. It's the same 4 chords in the same order, but starting from the F sharp for the chorus. Up, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, up, down. Hanging on that last chord. That's how to play the top 5 Blink-182 songs currently on Spotify. Let me know your favourites in the comments below, and I'll leave some other videos that you might enjoy on the screen now.